today I am going to be doing another slime package. I know that I've already brought a lot of slimes. One was bad, one was good, but I don't know what this one's going to be like. So, yeah. And why I order slimes is because I don't have any glue. I do make my own slimes, but I just like buying them. So, and it says slime package. Pink crystal raindrop slime $4. Normal pink slime $2. So, I'm pretty sure this is it. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this is my pink crystal raindrop slime. Ooh, it's crystally and it looks like raindrops. And it's crunchy too. And that was $4. Now it's time for my normal pink slime, and that was $2. So it's this one. So this one was a good slime.
Where's the one like that?
But it just has glitter in it, and I said for a normal pink slime. See, let me get the glitter out. Well, I can't, but that's the glitter if you can see it. So, yeah.
Have you done this?
So yeah, those are all the slimes that I brought, and it came out pretty good. So, yeah. Bye.